In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid padding on Squarespace using the Fluid engine, all under 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to adjust the spacing in your Squarespace site to give it a more streamlined look, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and transform your website's layout for the better. First things first, we need to log in to your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website and click on the login button. This will take you to the screen where you can access your website's backend. Once there, opt for the Continue with Google option. It's a quick and seamless way to log in if your account is linked to a Google profile. After logging in, you'll see a list of websites that you have access to. Click on your specific website to proceed. Once you're in your site, it's time to start editing. Navigate towards the Edit button, which you can find in the configurations. Clicking on Edit might feel like you're diving into the site's DNA, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Now move ahead by selecting Edit section on the part of your site where you want to remove the grid padding. This section refers to the specific area you want to adjust, whether it's a page, a block, or any grid-based structure you've constructed using Squarespace's Fluid engine. In our next step, we arrive at the critical part of this tutorial, choosing the closed border gap. This aspect determines the padding or spacing between various grid elements on your site. By carefully selecting and adjusting this border, you're essentially telling the Fluid engine how much or how little space to allocate between your elements. This can create a tighter, more cohesive look that may better fit your design vision. If your aim is minimalistic elegance or perhaps a clutter-free gallery view, fine-tuning this gap can make all the difference. Remember that all these changes aren't just visual but can affect how your viewers experience your content. A well-designed spacing strategy could lead to improved navigation and engagement on your site. Therefore, as you adjust these settings, take time to preview and ensure everything lines up as you'd like. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. This is crucial as it ensures all edits are retained and displayed correctly on your live site. So there you have it, a quick and efficient way to adjust grid padding on Squarespace using the Fluid engine. Giving your website the professional touch it deserves is just a few clicks away. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope these steps help you enhance your site's appearance. Stay creative and keep optimizing.